Good afternoon, country people. Them plenty glad for joining us for this side for Equinox Story House. We sorry for late start for program for this afternoon, but anyhow, better say you can late than say you no even show your head. Inside story for this afternoon, we go talk plenty thing them. Na palava accident will be pass and na waiting cause accident road. We go talk palava 32 for inside Douala, we go talk palava 2 for strike, and we go talk palava for Norwest and Southwest where don't the chop plenty place. So now we start for 2016. Inside Tori House here, I get one person, one that sabi the face fine. Oga Jan, good afternoon.
Afternoon, Ambassador.
And another person who will discover a face for now, na my own stranger too, don't call him, Adamu Hashim, teacher. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Oga Ambassador.
Well, me I go to call in a teacher, so you go the only.
No problem,
yes.
Oga Ambassador.
All will pass now for teacher them.
Really,
and I thank God say all na two na teacher them. So every day they ever get na so teacher them, it means say true. Teacher and student, no money, no fear ever run. So I want begin for talk this afternoon. We go talk palava for accident. Make we talk this chapter for accident we pass for in between Tangi and Jongo village. Now for inside Mombo subdivision for inside in Mungo division for Douala here. We moto na sianso it tombosai enter for inside bush. For Sikase waiting, for Sikase it be one door some hole where it dey for road. So for that road we talk with this accident the pass. Now road where they call them say national roads. But the national roads, it dey like say they don't forget palava for that national road. And this accident so it pass, plenty people there they be get it be inside that motor. Plenty of them, according to Tori enter for the EM, they begin a small wound them, no person in no die. Cause for accident as well people the way they be shidon for they tell him they say now for Sika they were worried way we get them so they so call them say national road where they don't forget them and now for Sika plenty hold them where they dey for that road now he make this accident a pass for that side for between Tangi and Njongo village for inside Mombo subdivision and we dey now for Mongo division so country people. So now one of the story then that way a pass for inside the week roads in a day and 2035 we get for go for before. Make we hear some people there they be there for accident side they talk.
I don't feel explain because I didn't have for corner door. Yeah. I don't hear how motor don't close the road. They enter for a year where the brake in a stand. Motor the brake in a stand. Then you just start for turn for you don't turn the 3 times before you go stand for this so. Yes. We are not explain.
I want enter from a bush and here have a motor the map boom 3 times. 3 times. I say I talk my sister, I say, hey sister, something will happen because everybody have a down drive don't continue your route. I want your people say, I leave that one at home. I enter for road again. I can't see how people don't for down they carry there for one coupe.
Yes, I go firm meet up with the Oga teacher 1 because I get teacher 1, teacher 2. So Oga Adamu, yes. I want talk with you now so you don't see palava for this road. Yes. Now, Nkonkuma the talk say 2035, Cameroon get for go for before. But na national roads, when you see the kind of things so they happen for Cameroon, wait you feel say some change will really enter for Cameroon, we get new minister for transport. You feel say go bring change for inside country?
Yes, I think the government they try to an extent, they do their best, but we still get a lot more for do for our roads especially. Not only in towns, even in the outskirts, we get very bad roads. The states of the roads not be encouraging. So may the government try for improve since, as Ambassador don't talk, by 2035, we hope for go forward. So that thing I get for talk. Although there are many causes too for that accident, not the only road. Yeah, other causes than they.
But for this case, the talk say be one dodge hole for
yes.
roads. Then he enter for bush.
Yeah.
It be one dodge hole. Now mean say the road
be the cause of that
get
accident.
problem. No saying speed.
Yes.
And people then for corner they say it be one dodge road.
Yeah.
If you don't work out for that road, fine, you will understand. Now, Oga Jan, with the talk palava for 2035, and the talk say we must to go for before.
Yeah, Mr. Adamu don't talk say government they do it best. For me, government not they do it best. Because some company they way don't take contract for fixed road for the Cameroon. May they give another company contract where they fixed hole for road, because hole the way they did for road for national road and for Cameroon, they need another contact so that may they even feel I'm go for wrong point for here. Now only God will protect me for the Douala. Then every day with the register comes them for the wrong point because of road. Which road they know the finish, and now for which year they will finish them. Now if na accident for Palava road, then every day people they will die, and they still blame the government. But how they don't change minister, may try to do it best.
Now, for talk for this Palava road, we don't discover say the new style where they take and fix road now. So for inside Cameroon, if you go for that side for Boya road, for Boya in particular, or maybe even for inside Douala, now say when some hole come out, then they can't dig the hole, then they can't dig that place where hole they then they put maybe smoke water for inside, then just leave them. If you say that kind of one, it go even help, it go stay for long.
It don't go stay for long. It be like how we don't put empty milk for water where cool. Enough is stand. Enough ever stand. Now this the thing where the talk so now the thing where happen for one point for they do for here. They can't dig hole. Then they take cement, put that on top. As motor the part, they just move the cement. As rain the fall, they just move the cement. So they know the cover no hold them.
Okay, may I ask Smoti Ambassador for Tiwe, my colleague don't talk. As they say half a loaf be better than no bread. Because when we leave that hole, you will continue to extend. And the damage will be more. If I say me they start to do something before they can fix the road, me they feel at least me they feed that hole before they can arrange the road.
No, they fix the hole, they need the cover, they just dig and like say they don't put na pepper on top. When rain fall, they wet the pepper, it was also finished.
Now you know facing over fire too, they don't need to put and for government that show for the Palava Nations Cup too, they want struggle for do something quick.
Yes,
you know since that one a conshot.
Yes, the government not get the means for arrange the road effectively too. Well. So they try to do at least something because of this pressure where they get them, so they know say smoother they go organize this AFCON African Nation Cups 2019. Now
we say that style where government use them now go help we, and if they use the style for how long it go be for?
After the Nations Cup we will still suffer the same effect because now so they do now. Say made na patch how we fit come. Now say made the Nation Cup pass. But now for now they for fix road for Cameroon. If not the Nations Cup, now they for fix road for Cameroon. And for how many years? 35 years. Now they be so for fix road. We get road for Cameroon. We don't get no road.
Really?
Alright, we go left Palava for roads. We enter for different chapter. Who they get for blame? Na council, governor delegates, or na the people themselves where they no one learn for do things them fine. We dey talk na Palava for dirty. We go start now for side for forever. Now road set for Ajang a house. Now road for Ajang a house itself. So we dey try for talk say put them for forever. When you look for different corner, you dey see and say binet e dey waka fine. All man e dey go with his small binet na call box or na biscuit or na sweet e dey sell am. All thing dey waka, but thing wey dey put dey vex na the dirty dem wey dey turn up for road for plenty time. We company wey e dey local dirty e need degree for can do wetin e need degree for can comot the dirty, and the dirty e don full up for corner so tey wey e no dey then say they don see the dirty so tey e don pass. But the thing na say as wey the dirty full up, someone dem say they even see container wey dey empty, they also throw dirty na for corner. All the one they so na why that we dey ask am na governor delegates or now who e get for do this work? Big question wey people dey try for ask am. Dirty e dey for all corner for inside Douala, even for market side for side wey dey call am say for market for Rai. Na so the same Palava. Dirty e don flop the whole place for market for Rai. See side wey mami say e dey wash e pepper na inside water wey man no even sabi who side the water comot. Na for there wey mami dey wash all pepper then e put am. Even for corner dey people dey make business na just for corner dirty e dey only waka e can meet up people dem. Dirty e dey waka small e can meet up in the people dem. So dem say for that side for market they don tire, and we say we don tire. Now for sika say wetin we want to say make Douala e clean. Sabi say stranger they go enter for Douala, and when stranger they enter Douala, white man they go lie for tonton see all sides, and when they see some kind of thing they so big shame on top Cameroon. Make we hear some business people them where they be talk for Chief Robert Mukube microphone. First person na some businessman where talk for Robert Mukube microphone. Make we hear you.
Some of them for marché de Rai. We should not for inside market. People don't come meet we. We don't know how we do. Poubelle, we don't flop so they it pass we. It is verse for we. It is give we odor. We the cup. We don't know how we chop. We fish down. We breathe sub air, fine air. It intoxicate we. So no. With the big say delegate government community, may come hella we. Dégager des poubelles, comme ça, on simple fish down.
Another businesswoman too, Chief Robert Mukube be sending microphone for he too, it is also complain, palava for dirty.
Don't pass we there for year, we manage small Gary for send picking them for school. But dirty don't flow, so take our enter, so take for cap, where would they say? We say some there for market, we not buy chop, we chop. Would they come someday? They don't throw it dirty, so they come from say for cap, where would they say? We not fish it down. Run the farm, to the work, I can't meet them for contour. Would the beg woman say, if you hear like we, for the matter, well, we there for inside so, over hell, we will be people, they may not throw away, we there for suffer. Dirty, they can't keep for market the right.
Yes, so, palava for dirty, palava for waiting, dirty for inside Douala. Oga Ajang, Nangomna delegates, na DO or ma say mayor because you know get hand get for the local place or na you and me we will no one respect commander with the city plenty dirty there.
Ambassador, I like your question. You one don't can that first one will show for and trade for forever so it didn't for roadway to go from my house for forever.
Okay.
I mean you know so our government they don't say they are shame. If they not be say shame for Cameroon. You can't imagine they the partner for corner road. Where all man the pass, even stranger they pass. They depark them every day. They depark them. Now dog die they depark them for day. Now man move beleo they go park them for Troyan for day. But people they need to see them. Now government delegate money where they take them for where council they take them for people them every day. First side they put the money. And now government delegate they so for the tidy work town may look like other town. If you never work and go out of the Cameroon, you know if you see say would suffer for the country, would they really suffer? Would they suffer for Palava Road? Look small Nigeria where they for big Nigeria where they for corner we see road. Look this small Equatorial Guinea where not reach Douala, see road. But Cameroon today up to today they still park dirty for corner road. It be PT.
Now, you never answer one of the questions.
Yeah.
You don't answer. You don't toss in a government delegate. So you see, say you and me will not get blamed.
No, we get blamed for us. Now government.
Then the dirty way some people they just carry and put and way they say we are.
Okay.
You are if you talk someone they throw dirty for places they don't get.
Answer dirty. You, Ambassador. If you go throw away the tea, meet up container empty. You throw away the tea not full now. But if you meet up and I say full, where they never carry them, and they never tell you they where they can't carry them. First time you put that the tea, you pack them for your house.
Now,
okay.
Oga Adamu,
yes,
make you more answer the question.
Yes.
I don't answer. I don't ask na three different questions then.
Yes.
Na mayor,
yes.
na government delegate, or na you and me will get problem for the palava dirty for town.
Yeah, thank you, Ambassador. I feel say this blame be shared by all the three groups, especially the council. And the council carry more than 50% of the blame because that is supposed to do the work. Then the company too will be responsible for cleaning of the dirty. And also that they work now with council. So now council they advise them that they negotiate, they work together. With city council.
We more try to make difference between council and city council.
Okay, now city council they work with the company for the dirty. So that they carry the blame too. They go for work with them so that they accelerate them for clean all the streets. Then for me and you too, at the normal people them too, sometimes they can't put the dirty instead of put them inside the trash can, we can't put them for ground. Where no be good. Last week, the quarter head from school where they teach, they don't come for school and beg me. Come here, I'll be responsible for hygiene sanitation for my school. So when people don't come, when that kid don't flop, instead for throw the tea for inside gutter, better make them throw the tea for road. So it will be easier for clean and for road than for clean and for inside gutter. This is a good idea. To go tell me say the tea over flop and they don't get no choice. They give for pour and for ground, maybe they pour and for corner road and pour and for gutter.
Okay.
Yeah,
so now, do you want to bring back for that question? Me, I will need for ask. we did talk this palaver for go for before. We in Kunkuma to say 20 times go for before. But inside Cameroon, the whole Cameroon, now one company where they inside the palaver for local.eu. If he says on number 2 or number 3 company no go for enter so that it will make the other man his skin to shake so that all man go one work fine.
Yes, you know when competition day, thing they go for why when people compete, thing they work better. If another company if come, like a very good idea and welcome idea too. Because he say formally said like 2 or 3 years ago, the company for the TV work better than what they do today. So they instead go back and where with the M 2035 say we do better, they will instead go behind.
I cancel the idea because when company do already enter Cameroon, they don't enter. They only force them, then cement camp, they get rival. They only for why if we will start with the talk say other company come. They don't finish pay the one where they presently then they did the pack so. They never then I know of people the way they work for the way they go for a strike. They didn't have 2 more where they never take salary. He just said they pay them and they still ask and say for what side the money they go. Well I don't hear last time for they say some council for the Douala one or call the name 460 million a loss for that council for the Douala. For some money don't go. People they die with dirty for road. I like them because they park and for corner road. They will show them how a stranger they will cancel and so Cameroon they hide them, but they see their last.
Now, Oga, you know if you say if some number 2 company enter to we go fit for help for say make all them the one show say no will be the best, now will be the best.
Not that only 2. As Douala they grow. Now so not only 2. We need about 3 company for the Douala where they carry the tea. Only for the Douala. Because they tea too much.
If you say the same thing go to for all sides, for light, water, so that
when you talk palava water they Douala. When you talk palava water, don't talk palava water, not talk palava light. Light, I beg. You can't imagine people they suffer 10 days for they do. Last time where they not get light for inside Douala. For inside Douala. So more the top palava the
Ambassador. This problem for light, I think we'll get problem.
We will can't see more time for light because we get case we and light cause them. So when we reach for them, we'll try for talk that palava to fine. Okay. So we left palava for dirty. We go for this other palava for this work people them where they dinner for company where they did look out small picking banana and small picking planty. They did talk to me in Kunkuma, it can't help them. 10 months they never get salary. And they did talk say Madeleine 20 when I be Oga Madam Pata for the company make it come for can help them for that side. Sabi say the company according to Toriwe enter for we ear. Now people them for inside Central Africa where they don't take the company say they go the look at them. Now I mean say if Equatorial Guinea man in their own time for she done now so them they go be for on top first chair. But since we Cameroon person is there on top that palava, this work people them 10 moon they don't pass where they never even chop their salary, even chop it for bush, it is spoil. Inside the workplaces, place it don't quiet, small picking planty, and even one them for banana where they don't plant them. All them, they just the look place, no man no day way go can't carry them for go plant them. The small place where they look at all them, place it just they some kind. Even the one the way they don't big country people them, even this small one the way they go for carry and put them for different side plant them. The ones where they don't plant them, all them. They don't the for ground country people them. Now for Sika say this work people they don't enter for number 10 moon where they never pay the money and all the time where big people they don't reach for that side so where they call and say Banga or for Njombe they also can't talk for them and say we go see as way go pass. We go see as way the pass. No nothing. It never pass. Number 10 moon chop in no day from top their table. Make we hear now so some one of the workman it tell we wait the pass for that company.
If man for Gabon don't come, they don't come work, man for Congo come, they won't come. Cameroon have a leak place for say you to take them. Since we did time with foreigner they can't work, the one begin follow, I say they follow as they start to the top, they know the one time foreigners at the book. So all that thing they don't make them. We don't get Mubambo, we don't get Juf, or they don't come. Juf we been a Senegalese. Mubambo we did for which country? Each we don't go. We don't remain so. No nothing no day. Karba be say if man for Gabon don't come.
Yes, make we hear now so we don't talk palava how we they divide a chair for inside that company. Who they for on top the chair now so Padiman Terry.
dey now for before all na Cameroonians them. Direct on a Cameroonian. They say na Cameroonian. They say away mean say but share person wey na the government all has. Na minister for research na Cameroonian. You go for corner. Now only scientific director where they don't give for foreigner who will look and say you no get no nothing for talk because time where they should also you come you know they talking no nothing. Man where they control money na Cameroonian. All president na Cameroonian. No one foreigner no day again. Is it now why that way don't make and they look the other people the way they be for them and say na Semak or they don't go no country no agree for give money because all Cameroonian they don't take a
now Oga Adamu na company that way he get for give Cameroon plenty money and maybe for inside Central Africa but now if you normal say it is so you go work for 1 month. You work for 3 months, you work for 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, 10 months, you no get salary. If you say that, they do the correct thing.
Oh no, you know be normal at all, Oga Ambassador. Person where you work to, you get a family too. You woman get picking that and get for job. And the worst thing I say, when the worker not be happy, the company to go front. You know go work to, you know go put your best too because we know they too. A hungry man is an angry man and an empty bag. No fit stand on it, only go fall too. So better me the government try or the company pay their workers, and then the workers too, I don't blame them because sometimes of frustration. If not so, if you work for 1 month, 2 months, 3 up to 5 months, they don't pay you. You still work again up to 10 months.
But when the job they like used to say with the work was on Saturday, when they come 1 month pass, okay, we'll see how it number 2 months go pass. 2 months can pass, okay. No, we don't prepare. We'll go now. 3 months pass. No, we see. Every day they give hope says some better thing they come. Yep. And the thing is there for the one that's in a minister for scientific research and innovation. Now they for on top like the Oga Pata for the business. Now,
yeah, I know say the hope say maybe they go pay them at the end. But if no is frustration, after 5-6 months you feel start to look another thing for do. Probably apply for another company for go your way. Because if they not pay you 6 months, no be 10 months they will can't pay you. It will be difficult. Now just because say they will be forced to accept the condition. I just say my advice now say the government try look something, at least give them something before even if they go pay them after arrears, they begin giving them small thing.
All right, Ogaja.
Yeah, Ambassador, you know say virus don't enter for the country. When people they never strike, they need to give them money. Truly, what it be the cause where people they get to strike after I don't finish work that money, they fight again and fight, then they give you the money. Why? After I don't finish work. So the thing where it been I say, I not feel blame the people there they don't work for 10 months. The promise where they promise they I go. So one day the fear say if I not work for this month, they know now that month where they go pay. Now the thing that way they make and they don't work up to that 10 months. Now it will not feel blame them or they blame the people where they pay them. But any company for the country where na Cameroon and be director, now so people they suffer.
So you try for if you get for look the palava, if you say na sick ways, you know if you ever come out.
I said na virus, it will come on it already enter inside Cameroon.
But medicine they use for diffuse and key virus. Even your own
scientists them for key virus where they disturb the country, where would they so Cameroon? They never discover that.
Yeah, but the first say if they happy them for hierarchy for update. If they feel this, they take decision.
Don't talk. People there for hierarchy. There you go, spoiler. People there for hierarchy. When a who?
I mean, that minister.
When a who? When a who?
That's all them.
Now, you talk. Say you need for have a hierarchy. More they talk to the. When now who the still reason for hierarchy? So Monday for they get away the still reason.
Because if they forfeit, take that or garden. Punish them when they not pay their them. They lock them up or frame of their operations. This alleviate. Say they don't invest money. And it does them too. They go copy example.
Chop not been a something. They work now for inside planting no. And that planting now you know say the best job now for Douala and that banana Malanse. It just say they never buy and they reach right for Douala for a. They buy them. That means say money they enter. But for some money they way they not fit pay government.
Now you will not fit to say this plantation or the place where they look at this small one the way it don't go down so to go big losses for country for your economy.
If they did not say go be big losses for our country, Ambassador, they not for make 10 more where they never pay worker they how they live. They don't know they damn the consequences what will happen. Better may they loss because now who they work if they need to pay them.
So now all we the loss, the company the loss, the company the loss. We Cameroonians too. We just go now economy to go back.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. We go talk palava now so for current. Now the same two they cry every day. Palava for current. Make we take una go just for we corner here for side from Godi for inside the weekend or the week we just finish. Now palava light way the go loss, it lost, it come back, it lost, it come back. We make and some mommy a poor Calabo house, a born all inside this week. And according to way they talk for him, big mommy says will be there for inside the house, a back, a born. If no be na for sika, a grand picking way wrong can come out for house. Mommy if for born for inside the fire. D1 now for sika palava waiting. Current e go, current e come. Na palava for go for before, come for back, go for before, come for back. Now the thing this way e make and this fire or current e catch fire and the house will be then a carabot, it be then a one way before army rescue people them. They will even enter for inside the house. We waiting don't pass. Fire it be don't burn the whole place. They no command no nothing for outside. This one again we dey ask now the question. It needs a 2 company or 3 company then for palava for light. It enter for country Ogaja.
That will be the call and say so be better. You know that word where they call and say neho. They don't make no mistake. Now in nevo. If you think inside the verse people them, even that we need about 3 company for light for Cameroon. You are there already weak. Which can if because the enough carry company them enough give life for all the houses there they add every day population they increase but they not change nothing for life so we need about 2 company there for life so that we will help.
Yes, how my colleague don't talk, we don't accept even from the beginning. So we always need when at least 2 or 3 things the competition to be. We look for example for this with mobile telephone there.
Yeah, we'll get plenty.
Yes, how we get a plenty now the cost don't reduce.
Yes.
So if you get competition, it go fine. Then if you add say maybe you don't compare, but you give compare 2 things for the one will be better. I get a colleague will tell me say when you compare Cameroon like with Nigeria, say for electricity will be much better than them, will be more advanced in electricity.
Better?
Yes, it will be better. They put off electricity for months, for days in big cities. They hear we hardly get that problem for
I
this.
tell you something.
Yes.
Nigeria get a population more than we. No talk say it will be better. It will be worse than them. Because when you compare population for Cameroon, it be like the population for Nigeria be good.
Yeah. Now una feel say Cameroon say government not the one use the normal natural resources the way they get. I will sabi say when you go for that side so for Moyoka will get some place that power camp.
Yes.
It be the give light for people them for that side. But
yes.
they need to use them again.
Oh,
for that side say for Northwest we sabi say some fall they if the one who mention fall. If the one walk if you also give light for some part for people them. But all the power who they get and the commoner for one side for Sanaga. If you say now for Sika all the one then two the make them
I always confirm your question. The farmer say they will not want to develop other places. If they want to develop other places, sometimes Nigeria not get different source for get energy
like we
will get 3 places the way they still be virgin. The one where they whether a long way to Banga, long Banga. Up to now, no nothing where they happen for them.
Then Nachiga dam to the detox they want fix them.
Good. All that one them. Why will not fix them? So that moon. Now for Cameroon, they for lack light. We get places they will give you light. Like the one where they Southwest and Menchum fall.
Yeah,
that one the natural one. So
we get the resources we know the exploit.
We know the exploit them. And now who can exploit them for we?
Now white man.
So the resources we get are not supposed to get the problem for electricity we get presently. Supposed to be a bit advanced, like maybe if that developed countries then we get enough resources too.
So would they invite a minister, even that so would they try for talk minister then to they get for work fine. We get plenty places and when they feel help population them forget light and we sabi so now almost the same thing they happen for Palava Seaport them when country decide for put plenty money for Sideways Seaport not be there for Shidon. Then in left Sideways Seaport
place where they dig sand, where they dig na sand. Then you know say big ship they not enter for Cameroon here. They enter for road, then they go carry it in and now they bring them for airport, seaport because deep seaport they were for explorer. One not the digger. would put that one aside. So at the time when I say this on our country,
now our country,
yes, now it gets serious problem because we get eye they already see. If we be sitting there, they will not pay. Then more than 3 seaports a day for the Cameroon. Yes, now 3 seaports they be so for Cameroon so that my economy the boom fine. Now 3 light company for get them for the Cameroon, but for side a day or the concentrate now for one monopoly. Now they kill we for the country, and it will not take time. As I will talk, so then while picking they will suffer the same effect where they suffer.
All right, palava for normal small thing them will the one time for inside country, water, lights, and even the road palava. Nothing then that way all money the one time. But so now people they know this also get that one plenty as well they be get them. We go left that one so we talk palava thing for inside family SSF. We take on for Newtown Ariopor. Now for inside this week to a pass with some woman he get minds, he put poison inside a massa chop so the massa die. Waiting he make am before this woman he put poison for a massa chop. Now for Sika say this woman he hear so a massa he talk say he want go carry number 2 woman. The same day we massa be get for travel for go Ngandal for go take number 2 woman bring am. Now the same day too the cookie find rice and inside that rice poison be there for inside. Population for Newtown Ariopor 1 all them they be come up for outside for we meet up with that woman. But gendarme people then say they talk say no way. Pussy to that way chop the same chop he sleep straight for that side so for Newtown Ariopor. Sabi say them Ogalabaran according to Tori enter for we EM. Now the number 2 time we he married the woman we he last can kill it. First time we marry am problem divorce marriage is spoil. Number 2 time now so he marry am he no even stay for up they finish with you one time. So as all the talk that woman he dey for inside Ngata while we he own man SSF he don't already enter for 6 feet. Oga Adamu Hassan, yes. Na tori we pass for inside Douala, plenty people they ask and say, "Ben, now which kind of thing this? Which kind of thing this? Where you see the kind of thing? Wait if you say the feed one for that woman."
Yes, this one be very, very shocking, Oga Ambassador. Any man will be married, like we will be married, or go man and picking them. When you feel say if it happen for you one day, you feel shed tears. It be very painful. Oh, get her. This problem, my probably don't tell me. Say when you married woman, you leave and go marry woman again, or marry plenty woman, and change woman, or marry woman who can kill you. If you get one woman who get confidence with you and so on, better concentrate with it. Although we Muslims, because I'm Muslim like
yes,
this,
you.
so therefore we be polygamous in nature. From the beginning, make the woman know say in future if you marry 2nd or 3rd wife, but not promising from the beginning say you go do a monogamy. After now, you bring up that idea for 2nd woman, the woman too, it go be some shocking thing for you. No, you react.
And just to sabi one thing, Adamu has seen, I need to cut you short. This man will die. He don't marry 2 women them. He don't marry 2 women them. Then this woman will marry and be number 3. Each chakara come back.
Yes.
So it means say he want go take number 4.
Really, number 4?
Yes, if we get for count the 2 people they don't go, it one thing number 4. So with the chair, if now you say we there for on top chair for security, you do it to that woman because population go and finish with that day.
Yes, because the woman, even if they believe you outside the population go finish it. I think say for your own safety, for go be for that prison, it instead help the woman. But in the long run, I'm not sure they will can't release it because for me I feel say it deserves to for that. Even if you not go die for jail, but it deserves to for that. How we killed Michelle Labara. You don't do a very bad thing.
Ogaja.
And the mistake where the man make am first. When woman come out for your house, where come out say don't divorce, leave that woman may go. Because if now that woman they come back again, they come now with weapons there because they don't go prepare. The woman they don't prepare. I don't know the thing where the man be discover for that woman until come back again. Woman go marry according to the news I hear. It go, the man will be married and may die, then the man come again. That means that the woman had been a specialist for the kill master them. And the accused say they kill the other man too. And I advise any man where they listen with, where woman come up for your house, say go. That no man your woman that. Leave her may go.
May go.
Yes, may go.
And if now you will get the opportunity for look the case inside power, you give that woman which can casting.
That woman, if not me, that population. Now they for finish with it one time because not be deserve say not make that mistake. You know that way the talk say
mistake.
Yes, motor fit jam and driver talk say na mistake, but this one he go for market, buy chop, buy poison, cook and fine. As the man dey chop, he dey shake his head, say I don catch you today, you go. So it no take die the hot. They for kill it too.
The Oga Ambassador, I agree with you. I know say jungle justice is not fine too. Law they will get law. Me then hand out for people then for law. I know say the Cameroonian law or any other law, you know go leave person where don't keep person like that one. So
now would they ever get problems? Say when they ever put that kind of people then for jail, smarter you say they don't bail, people don't come bail and all that one. So plenty people they now they don't even believe for chapter for even palava say me law take a course.
Okay, but I think
I ask a question because we know plenty people they where they don't catch them today, where they smoke banger. Tomorrow you see them for outside. Because you sabi people they day inside that banger team.
It's true, not true.
Because even yesterday operation be passed when commissioner Mefire say be do and Mefire Roger for Jamie. He catch 10 people them for inside house where they smoke banger. But you know go surprise maybe small time other people will come back outside. For Sika say they get big people them for before.
Not true.
So which side country they go?
Destiny they Ambassador. God don't create or give you on destiny. If man don't come, if that woman go come out, that means God be don't. Nothing God be don't plan.
No.
So he get for.
No, that woman not
continue.
No.
Continue for Kiman picking.
No, I said that law must take because.
Picking that way that woman they kill her. So if they go marry different one, it will still kill her. But I used to talk to ambassador say I talk this thing one day. I say person where married yellow woman, they like man where get farm corn for corner road, where any man they come. The beggar. Yes. So men would mind the kind woman there who would marry her.
And me man picking to control in number 3 foot.
Yes, we control.
You get 2 foot plus 1 and 3, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
That one not a monkey.
Okay. All right, so we go take una go for some village for that side. So for Ezeka, con the people them. The one na palava for road where they fix am. Na this national road they call an auto road for that side. So for Ezeka, make we take people them go for Ezeka side where people them vex. Where it is so na palava for road. Con the people them for inside Ezeka side where we dey talk palava for this village people them where they vex for Sika say population normal na road where they fix am where it get for Komo Yawinde for come right for this side so for Douala, but so now population the vex say they never give them compensate for inside that palava. Okay, if that one no them, make we talk this other accident where it happen for Lopom inside the week where it concern us on 2 people then where they die where they be the dig ground, they be dig some small guata for make some foundation for Lopom side where accident they pass this week. I will get that one. Alright, if we no get that one, we could just talk for on top here for talk this Palava village. We talk na Palava people the way they vex say they never give them compensate for say they fix roads, they fix they don't chakara their cargo them take their land, but so now they never give them roads, they never give them compensate. They be vex, stop work people the way they work the roads, and SDO for that side for Young and Kelly, Tende Peter, it be come up for can talk, now that be the try for back with native them, say make the try for see as way they go come, she don't quiet, then they see how they go finish with all them for that side, so for Ezekam. Sabi say this roads, when they finish them, na straight road, they call them auto road, where you get for come out for Yawinde, it reach for this side way population no go over suffer again. But the people them, they vex, sitting the company before promise them, in do am company be promise and say go give them small light no day, water no day, and even the road where they be promise and say they go open am for them. So today they never open all that road. And so now all the things that will vex the people them. On top that one, they never compensate plenty people the way their land is there for inside the road. So they be vex, stop work for that company. Okay, Jan.
Yes, I don't ask them whether now so as Dio the talk so you talk SDO. Sorry for the multi. Now Eddie talk on behalf of the government or on behalf of the company?
SDO, they talk for Nkukuma space.
Good. Now your representative.
Yes, and the big man to for company to be there. Now some white man.
You know, some of that people them, according to Tinwa here, they don't destroy most of their farm them, where they take and feed their family. If you not get farm, the road now for all man, not bad farm now for one person. May they try compensate them. May they give them small money where will enable them, will give them energy, or for go make different farm or for make their business so that may they not suffer too.
Yes, I agree with you on point. Simply then give them at least small things. That thing will be reward.
Yes.
Even if they don't give them all what we really expect,
Yes.
we then give them something they feel start with maybe for please them while they prepare for bring the rest.
Now our government, they like say the population don't even trust government, but because if they give them small, maybe the other one will come again.
Yeah, but it'd be better than forget small than for review empty.
Then if the small no mean no nothing for them.
Because if they, because government are government, they get power, Mr. Oga Ambassador. If government decides I don't give you, you're not gonna do me anything. So better me just take the small way, don't give you, because I get the knife and I get the yam.
Now why that would plead now for government?
Yes.
They give them small.
Give them
May
small.
they even start their business.
Yes.
Because how place where they so they not get no choice than
Yes.
for accepting it will happen.
Yeah.
Alright, make we take una go from Banga side for talk this palaver for population for Ediki, where they run enter for Banga, even as say plenty of the population don't turn go back. Sabi say when school starts, plenty of this population, they no go them school, other picking them, they dey for class, they dey learn their book, population where they come up for Ediki na dentist, where they never fit for go turn back for school for sika this palaver for Norwest and Southwest where it dey happen. So today, even as we minister for Palava Territorial Administration, Gratango, it is also toxic Palava no day, but for film, with this also here as we gone in the hala, people that they die, whether na uniform people or na normal people them. But Sabi say they put them for Etiki, they run come off for Etiki, after we waiting pass, after we gone the hala for that side, so for Etiki, and Sabi say even yesterday we governor, it be the go for that side for Lebialem, for go put new SDO, gone it be hala, they be disturb governor Imoto 2 times, time will be the go and time will be the come back before this palaver be passed. And for that side say for where they call them say Azi, yesterday for 7 o'clock for night, we hear say gendarme post for that side, some gun people they be attack them and some uniform people they say they be get some small wound. For the side for people there they can attack, they say they no catch none of the person, whether they die people them or one day they get wound, they run all them. So this palaver for Norwest and Southwest will be talk with some mami Jacquino Mulom. It be put in microphone for some mami imop. Make we hear to the mami talk.
Bush one come that way we go bush one come back for we should have house one enter for cook chop. I just see a person just come say me any man it disappear. I never even recognize the person where a be talk say me any man it disappear. We enter for house one as many I will just pray finish. We come out one pick something. Now gone in the hala. We just come out now. As we come out with the run, with the take picking the one enter bush. We hear a sound for train. I just the shout say me any man he can't enter for train. We enter train we run. Immediately with the one reach for Banga, they don't welcome we for day. They take we. Now we this way we there for inside horse since yesterday we there fine. Now we there for here. We don't come out. We lift watching them. With how we there for here. Some people they sit there for bush. Now we there for here. We never know whether the problem, the solution for this problem now it go be now.
So, since you know Sabi waiting way if he help for stop this palaver, waiting way the beg now.
With the big government, say make a help we because Pekin they say there for forest. We will there for years, we never they fine, we not the peace because the other people they say there for forest for inside mosquito. May they make us say make peace a ray. May they take make the solution it be for this matter.
Oga Jan, palaver for that side so for Norwest and Southwest so now. We never so hear no nothing. Prime Minister be there for for London. We head of state for Commonwealth they meet up. You know Nkunkuma no go there. British Foreign Affairs don't talk for say when it turn back. May they try for Shido people decentralization and even respect for human rights for people there on the West and Southwest. Nothing that I don't talk. But so today other people they sort of say no nothing no they happen for ground say peace day.
Mr. Ambassador, some man be cash man. I say carry the person, they look rope for tie the person. They not see rope. I say not see rope, they tell the person say go. I be the only fool you. Now so the country day. That thing where you know Grand Tango, Minister of Territorial Administration, now my personal friend.
Now Akombi.
Me say I call him. I say me city where they happen. Don't know be picky phone. Me city. First up, Sarwans now they come for go stay now from Banga. They overline and Banga. Yet problem not there. May I tell you something? For my hometown for Bangen, Kupe Maninguba. School need to go now up to now. Problem not there. Because the way they don't register GC, they need to go school. Problem not there for Cameroon. That mommy don't talk, say may government try. Dialogue. May they see solution for this problem. Not in other way they finish, but some people they shouldn't then comfortable. I used to hear the minister for talk say problem not there. All the things the way they talk problem not there. But other country they see you talk say prime minister don't British foreign affairs don't talk say may they try dialogue. May the dialogue waiting. But for Cameroon problem not there. Any man they see and say problem there. But they need to ever accept. People they die every day. People they transfer. They leave their villages there. For side problem not there. How they just disappear for Ediki. They don't disappear for Kwakwa. Problem not there for Cameroon. May they try see into that problem.
Oga Adamu?
Yes, this Oga Ambassador. This problem is a very serious matter. They will take them very lightly. I mean the people, the hierarchy, they take this thing very lightly. We're not a very serious thing. Man asked me this morning, said she don't 120 people for class. You teach them. We are all brothers and sisters. They there for compound. They know they go to school. How do you feel? I feel very bad.
Very bad.
I almost cry. Say where? I remember my sister picking in their house. They go to school. They teach other people. They are picking them, and they talk say we not get problem. However, man, we don't talk. The only solution is dialogue. We didn't dialogue. We didn't trust. You don't. Even I say the one give that federation, we didn't give the federation. If they want me that they decentralization, where they want me make, I mean decentralize the government.
It cost government for waiting for do them. It cost them
for waiting.
All they get person where they can't ask her. If they get person where they can't ask her, maybe they can't ask we could give them the solution.
Go people they suffer, Ambassador. People they there for bush. People they there for Nigeria. People they know they go school. People their businesses know the work. So people they
can imagine. Suffer. They say how many thousand refugees they there for Nigeria yes. When a Cameroon. So when they don't turn. How long them for them? Yeah. Now wait till they will bring them for we as Cameroonian.
I get a student with A level last year. You know what right? He did Douala here for 2 years today. I don't discuss any taking down our drugs. I don't she don't that talk for you. I want cry, Becky. You don't start working, they pay 30,000 for a watch, it be a watchman in a company. You don't start to touch small money. He tell me say if you go back for school, you don't concentrate again. So now all that, so your future will be disturbed.
Now, but inside the week we get college people the way they be meet up for Yaoundé and minister for Palava for college book. He be try for talks, you know, population where they go school now for Norwest and Southwest compared to the one for 2017 don't better. So they expect say exam to go better.
I lie. I tell you say for my hometown for Bangam, school not they go. Bangam not inside Cameroon.
Inside Cameroon.
Really? No, inside Cameroon. Why the people they sitting so? Ambassador, some man be too far. As people they follow for back say too far. Let me tell some pa when I old pa. If they tell that pa say take big man eye. Look at whether far they for my bag. That part they take big man eye tell you say picking they wanna run. Far no day for that money bag. Even if we see problem for the country, they also talk say far no day for bag because they take big man eye. Look at Cameroon get serious problem where it pass Boko Haram.
Alright, so country people then we go surely finish program so for this side. So for today, make una sabi say rebroadcast. He go come back for Sunday. I want to say thank you, Adamu Hashim, for your time. We hope so we'll meet up again another time.
Thank you very much, Oga Ambassador. I'll be very happy too for being with you today.
Alright, Oga Jan, thank you plenty.
Ambassador, thank you. And I salute all man where they be interested for this our program. I will also talk.
We dey now for same country go for before, we know they for Chakara country. Rebroadcast for Sunday, make una all am tight.